Building better sentences by rearranging the sentence, adding an adjective, adding an adverb, and extending the sentence. The clock ticked in the corner of the room. Not a very interesting sentence. In fact, quite boring. So let's see if we can build a better sentence. We'll begin by rearranging the sentence. In the corner of the room, the clock ticked. Yes, much better. And did you notice that when we rearranged the sentence, we had to add a comma? Let's continue to rebuild the sentence. This time, we're going to add an adjective in front of one of the nouns. There are two nouns to choose from, room or clock. In the corner of the room, the grandfather clock ticked. That's better. It gives our reader more information about the clock. What should we do now? I know. Why don't we add an adverb? Let's explain to the reader how that grandfather clock ticked. In the corner of the room, the grandfather clock ticked loudly. That's better. It makes our reader think about the room in terms of sounds as well as sights. Let's do one more thing. Let's extend the sentence. In the corner of the room, the grandfather clock ticked loudly, its silver pendulum swinging from side to side. So we've gone from this simple sentence, the clock ticked in the corner of the room, to this. In the corner of the room, the grandfather clock ticked loudly, its silver pendulum swinging from side to side. And we've achieved this by rebuilding in 4 simple steps. First, we rearranged the sentence. Second, we added an adjective. Third, we added an adverb. And finally, we extended the sentence. Why don't you have a go at rebuilding these sentences? Pick a sentence and then fix it. Rearrange that sentence, add an adjective, add an adverb, and then extend your sentence.